believe me, I was so stressed out.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
I'm so pissed about our
Because
own
of the
life,
audio quality that we have.
So we're sorry we have on this iPad Pro 2020. Last question we're gonna unbox. We're sorry we haven't posted a lot. We've been in a bad circumstance. Financially, yeah. And we're happy to continue unboxing for you guys. Let's go to unboxing. Ready, guys?
It's funny how everybody's
Guys, this is so big. I get why Apple's now advertising it as their next computer. You know, it's a great revolution change for the computer industry. It's not that heavy too. It's not that heavy. It's like a normal computer for me. I have a keyboard on it, but you're okay.
By the way, so after this video, we're going to do lots of ASMR.
So we're gonna move this aside here. Let's see what's inside the box. So you got a letter from Apple California. Fast charger, Rick. No, it's not. So you've got all your instruction manuals. They had it at a home button to it. Yeah, you get two stickers. Very good. They're massive. Yes. So as you might know, during COVID-19, Apple was trying to reduce. They were trying to be green. So in like the new iPhone 12, they don't have the adapter to like your phone charger. They don't. I think. Wait, do they have the wire for the iPhone 12?
Yes.
So yeah, they don't have the power brick because every Apple, nerd should at least have like 6 of them in their house, which we have one right in front of us.
I have a Samsung fast charger.
Yeah, let's don't talk about it. So yeah, Apple has finally changed from being like, thank God Apple did. It's a revolution change.
But you know what? I read an article in France. They still give you
lightning cables.
No, lightning cable is included already, like everywhere. But like the earphone.
Oh, but that's cool.
Yeah.
You still get them.
Yeah.
But get strap on your AirPods Pros.
So this is an 18-watt USB-C power adapter.
Wow.
Yep.
Which country?
Doesn't look Vietnam for sure. Does not look for Vietnam. Like, yeah, guys, is this Vietnam? No, right?
That does not look.
So he's gonna use that, and we're not gonna open that because we got like 6 of these at home, I think.
Yeah.
So we'll just keep this safe. Apple is trying to say that they're trying to, renew how computers are supposed to use, making it, very, flexible, I should say, because every old computer, like what I have as a student, is an open computer. You can't, touch the screen because it's gonna smudge. You gotta keep the camera clean, and most of them don't even charge of a Type-C charger, and it's not sleek like this. I mean, like, guys, can we have? Oh no, Apple has fingerprints,
but it's going off.
Yeah, never mind.
How does it feel like when you hold it compared to?
It's giant, I mean, it's like, look at this. Face comparison.
Sorry.
Like,
compared to my face, I'm smaller.
it's like, what should I call it? You know what, a clipboard? It's like a clipboard, like that. That's a clipboard.
The lens is so wide.
I know. So let's go into more of the in-depth specs, okay? So the iPad Pro comes in 2 colors, the silver and space gray, which we have the space gray because it's just good, No one can argue it. So yeah, that's
I don't think we need the camera. So.
Okay, so the iPad Pro comes in 2 colors, the space gray color and the silver color, and obviously space gray looks better. So yeah, guys, we're in space. So the iPad Pro, like every iPhone, comes with 4 capacity prices. It comes with the 128 gig, the 256 gig, which I have here, and the 512 gig, and the 1 terabyte gig. Apple has implemented the new liquid retina screen. What's that? So it's you know what the iPad Pro reminds me of?
What?
The Microsoft Surface Go.
Oh!
Because it's compatible, it's lightweight, you can get accessories for it.
I had a very bad experience with the.
Oh yeah, he had a very bad experience with it. And it also comes with auto image stabilization.
Alright.
So photographer nerds,
Okay.
don't get this. No, get this. You want to talk more into the specs of the camera?
Did you see that it has an A12Z Bionic chip?
Yeah, it has an A12 Bionic chip. So so the A12 Bionic chip.
Which one is faster, A14 or A12G?
A14.
Are you sure?
Here we got the two cameras. You want to talk more about the cameras?
Yeah, I expected full cameras, but I'm pretty disappointed about Apple.
Yeah.
I'm pretty disappointed. The Tab S7 Plus could have done better.
You know, I'm gonna talk into spec. This guy is so annoying. He's this stubborn Samsung dude who always touched Apple products. You know.
He unboxed Apple products.
So yeah. So there's two cameras. You got the wide and the ultra wide. The wide camera comes with 12 megapixels, and the ultra wide comes with 10. Not a lot compared to his Samsung. His Samsung stuff, it's decent. It's decent. You know, it's not like overkill, but you'll be okay with it. And yeah, so you can take 4K with 60, 30, 24 frames.
But do you really take that thing for the iPad Pro?
Oh my God, 4K picture!
Look at this cup noodle.
Well, if you guys don't like that, Apple has implemented 1080p at 60 frames. So I think what Apple is trying to do is reinvent the computer industry and make money by selling these accessories. Sorry,
What are these
getting
borders?
keyboards and all that stuff.
What are these cool borders?
One part that I'm very interested in is that Apple will have a laptop and the MacBook Pro lines with Apple Silicon.
Yeah,
Basically same or very similar
too bad.
the GPU that we will put in here.
Yeah, A12Z.
They said the A14 is going to be the first one. Microsoft, in my opinion, they failed. They actually tried with the
They
Surface.
tried the compatibility.
They have a small inch this Intel silicon.
chip, yeah.
But the 15 inch they have ARM chip, their own ARM,
Which
but didn't go very well.
didn't go, yeah.
But like one part that I kind of thinking that Apple real success is that they have iPad. They have
And it's just good. You can't complain about it. It's
exactly.
just,
They have a lot of
it's
apps,
sleek, it's good, and
better
it's
controlling heat,
revolutionary. to
better
the
performance.
industry. Yeah, it's just so many things you can't complain.
So
Like what the Surface Go showed us.
yeah,
We're not hating on Microsoft because I love Windows. It's great,
Yeah.
but it's how
Bill Gates.
it's how they tried but did not go as well. So that's it for Family Tech. We've enjoyed this video. We hope you like it. We hope you like this video because it's one of the videos that came back in a long time. And plus, gotta respect the iPad Pro, And yeah, if you guys enjoy it, please give us a like and
No,
subscribe.
I'm taking that part.
Okay.
If you like this video, no, wait, what? If you like, I forgot.
If you like this video, please subscribe and thumbs
No,
up.
I do. If you like this video, put a thumbs up button and subscribe, and we will see you next time in AS.
please let us know what you think about the
So, thank you.
Thank you.
Voila!